Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, yet the woman you're interested in doesn't seem to be chasing you? Maybe you're putting in all the effort, sending texts, planning dates, trying to impress her, but somehow she just doesn't seem to reciprocate the same level of interest. It can be frustrating, right? The truth is, there are certain things you're probably doing that are pushing her away without you even realizing it. If you want her to chase you, you need to stop doing these 7 things immediately. Let's dive in. Number 1, stop putting her on a pedestal. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that the woman you're interested in is somehow above you, that she's the perfect one, and you need to do everything to win her over. You might start treating her like she's untouchable, showering her with compliments, and constantly trying to impress her. While it's natural to admire her, treating her as if she's some kind of goddess only creates a power imbalance. This dynamic can actually work against you. Women don't want to feel like they're out of your league. They want someone who treats them as an equal, who respects them, but also values themselves equally. When you place her on a pedestal, you're not only devaluing yourself, but you're also creating a sense of distance that makes her less likely to pursue you. Instead, treat her with the same respect you would anyone else, showing that you're not afraid to be yourself, flaws and all, without needing her approval to feel worthy. Number 2, stop being too available. It's natural to want to be there for someone you like, but being constantly available is a surefire way to make yourself less desirable. When you drop everything to answer her text instantly or rearrange your plans to spend time with her, you're signaling that you don't have anything else going on in your life. And let's face it, that's just not attractive. Women, like men, want a partner who has a busy life, someone who's independent and has their own interests. When you act like you have all the time in the world for her, you actually make her feel like you're not in demand, and that lowers your value in her eyes. It's about striking a balance. Show her that you're interested, but that you also have your own life and priorities. Give her the chance to miss you. Stop responding right away and let her take the initiative sometimes. This creates the perfect amount of space for her to start pursuing you more actively. Number 3, stop living for her approval. When you find yourself constantly seeking her validation, you're giving up your own power. Whether it's worrying about how you look, what you say, or what you do around her, living for her approval means you're not living for yourself. Women are attracted to men who are confident and secure in who they are, who don't need the constant reassurance from others to feel good about themselves. If you make her the center of your world, you'll end up losing sight of your own goals and passions, and that will make you less interesting to her. Instead, focus on your own growth, your goals, and your life. When you pursue your passions, you automatically become a more attractive person because you're not dependent on anyone, not even her, to feel fulfilled. A woman who sees that you have your own life, your own dreams, will start to admire you for your strength and independence, and that admiration can quickly turn into attraction. Number 4, stop being afraid of losing her. Fear of losing someone often leads to insecurity, and insecurity is one of the least attractive traits you can have. If you're constantly worried about saying the wrong thing or about her pulling away, you're inadvertently pushing her away. Fear creates a sense of desperation, and desperation is never attractive. When you act out of fear of losing her, you're sending the message that you don't believe you can find someone better, or that you're so dependent on her that losing her would be devastating. Instead, learn to let go of that fear. Embrace the mindset that if she doesn't feel the same way, or if things don't work out, you'll be fine. A man who is not afraid to walk away when something isn't right is far more powerful and appealing than one who clings to someone out of fear. When you stop showing fear, you become the kind of person who others are drawn to because you radiate confidence and self-assuredness. Number 5, stop playing it safe. It's easy to fall into the trap of playing it safe, especially if you're afraid of rejection or making a mistake. But here's the thing, playing it safe is boring. Women don't want a guy who's always predictable, who never takes risks, or who always plays by the rules. They want someone who challenges them, who keeps things interesting. If you're always following the same routine, always saying the right things, always being polite and perfect, you're gonna lose her interest fast. You need to make her feel something. Whether it's through humor, challenges, or even a little bit of mystery, you have to keep her on her toes. Take her on an unexpected adventure, show her your playful side, and dare to be a little different. Being daring and unpredictable creates an emotional spark, and that's what will make her chase you. Number 6. Stop waiting for her to make the first move. If you're always waiting for her to text first, to make the first move, or to suggest plans, you're giving up control of the situation. Women are attracted to men who lead. If you're passive and waiting for her to take the initiative, you're sending the message that you're not confident enough to lead the way. Taking the lead doesn't mean being overbearing or controlling. It means making decisions, suggesting activities, and taking charge when necessary. A man who confidently takes the reins of the relationship creates a sense of security and respect, and if she's truly interested, she'll follow your lead and appreciate the direction you're giving the relationship. A man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it becomes irresistible. Number 7. Stop settling for low effort. If a woman isn't putting in the same effort that you are, it's time to stop accepting it. Many men settle for relationships where they're the only ones trying to make it work, hoping that if they keep trying hard enough, the woman will eventually reciprocate. But this rarely happens. Women who are truly interested will show it. They'll make time for you, they'll respond to your efforts, and they'll put in the emotional energy required for a relationship. If she's not doing that, then you're not getting the respect and commitment you deserve. Don't settle for low effort treatment. Respect yourself enough to walk away if someone is not giving you the attention, care, and effort that you are giving them. When you set high standards and refuse to accept anything less than what you deserve, you attract the right kind of woman, one who will put in the effort to keep you in her life. In the end, it's crucial to understand that constantly chasing a woman who isn't showing the same level of interest is not only draining, but also counterproductive. The energy and time you spend over-analyzing every text or waiting for her to make the first move are better spent on you. Your life should be centered around your own growth, your ambitions, your goals. You need to create a life that excites you, one that's full of purpose and passion. When you're living in alignment with your goals, when you're passionate about the work you do, the things you love, and the person you're becoming, that energy will naturally attract others to you. The right people, including women, will want to be part of your world because they see that you're not relying on anyone else to complete you. You're already complete. You're not just waiting around for someone to validate your existence. Now, think about this. When you stop chasing, you create space for authenticity. You become a man who is on his mission, driven by his own purpose, and women, just like anyone else, are drawn to that kind of confidence. You'll find that once you focus on your own life and stop putting all your energy into pleasing someone else, the dynamic will naturally shift. Suddenly, she starts to notice your value, not because you're seeking her attention, but because you've become someone worthy of attention. So, instead of obsessing over someone who isn't equally invested in you, choose to be someone who focuses on what truly matters. Build a life that excites you, and let her come to you when she realizes she's missing out. It's not about games, it's about building a life of your own that's too powerful for anyone to ignore. Stop chasing and start living the kind of life that attracts the right people, naturally. When you lead with purpose, everything else will follow. It's time to make yourself the priority. The woman who truly deserves you will recognize that, and everything will fall into place.